How to create a Doordash account. So if you want to create a Doordash account, then you have to first open up a browser. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And then on the search bar, you have to search for Doordash login. And after searching, on the second search, you will have login Doordash. You can click on that. So this is the login page. And now if you want to create an account, then you can go to create account, which is here. You can simply click on create account. Now this is to create your account, and if you want to create your account, then you have to enter your first and last name, and after entering that, you have to enter your email address on the last blank, and after entering your information, click on submit. And now you have to choose your country. And that's it. That's how you create your Doordash account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.